Hi, I was deported due to overstaying residence visa for 7 months. Can this ban be lifted? It's very difficult to lift a deportation ban. So when you use words deported, which means ultimately that you were deported, which means that in the UAE, what that means in practical terms is that for you to be deported, you have to go to immigration. They do the eye scan and the whole sort of biometrics, and you are being put on the plane and sent away. And as part of the UAE's government systems or data, now your case file has a block on it. So, and then for you to, so that means you cannot re-enter the country until that block has been lifted. Now, because the block is related to deportation, it's very difficult to lift deportations. That being said, there are now more services, and they're available also on the public prosecution website. There's a request to lift deportation. So those we're hearing more about these requests. They're sort of being discussed more in public. But I want to manage everybody's expectations. Generally speaking, it's difficult to lift deportation, especially for things like this, overstaying a residence visa. It may be possible to lift deportation in cases where, to request to lift deportation, in cases where somebody was deported because of a specific law, which is no more. So for example, bounce checks in the past used to be criminal. So now they're not. So let's say somebody was deported because they had bounced a check, and now that law has changed. There is an opportunity there to request for deportation lift on the basis the law has changed. But with regards to overstaying residence visa, less so, because overstaying visa is still illegal.